welcome to another video of this AI series। तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है discussing ethical considerations and biases in AI systems। So first thing first, what exactly do we mean by AI ethics? Well, it's all about examining the moral and societal implications of AI technologies and ensuring that their development and deployment align with values like transparency, fairness, and accountability. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives, it's essential to address ethical concerns to mitigate potential harms and maximize benefits. One of the key challenges in AI ethics is addressing bias in AI systems. Bias can arise from various sources, including biased training data, flawed algorithms, and human biases encoded in the design process. This can result in unfair and discriminatory outcomes, particularly for marginalized communities. Recognizing and mitigating bias is essential for building AI systems that are fair and inclusive. When deploying AI systems, it's crucial to consider the broader broader societal impacts and ethical implications. This includes ensuring transparency and accountability in decision making processes, safeguarding privacy and data protection, and promoting diversity and inclusivity in AI development teams. By prioritizing ethical principles, we can build AI systems that benefit society as a whole. Addressing bias and ensuring fairness. To address bias and ensure fairness in AI systems, a multifaceted faceted approach is needed. This includes diverse representation in AI research and development, rigorous testing and evaluation of AI algorithms for bias, and implementing mechanisms for transparency and accountability in AI decision making. Additionally, ongoing monitoring and evaluation are essential to detect and mitigate bias in deployed AI systems. There you have it, a glimpse into the complex landscape of AI ethics and bias. By prioritizing ethical considerations and proactively addressing bias, we can build AI systems that reflect our values and contribute positively to society. So, join us next time as we continue our exploration of ethical dimensions of artificial intelligence. Till then, have a great day and happy coding.